Why the random chat app is not working properly? Today we'll discuss the complete details. Don't skip the video, watch the full video. Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech Video. Today I will discuss how to fix random chat app SIM data not working. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings. Open the date and time settings. Tap set time automatically to reset time to whatever location you are currently at. Click back. Click about device. Click storage. Then click clean up. Click clean. Click back. Click apps. Click app management. Find random chat app. Click random chat app. Click storage use. Click clear cache. Then click clear data. If you clear data, you will need to relog into your account. Then click delete. Then open Google Play Store. Then search random chat app. Click random chat app. If you get any updates, please update. Hope your issue is resolved. If anyone still has problem, it might be a server problem. Please try again after a while. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.